Here is the Tokai SJ904 after it's been pearl dusted and then clear coated. It's been about 24 hours since it's been clear coated, but I decided to sand it and buff it out real quickly because I like to attack it while the finish is still soft. It makes it a little bit easier to deal with it while the finish is still soft. In about 3 weeks, it'll be hard enough I can buff it out again to a higher gloss. Here is the Mark Knopfler Fender Stratocaster Signature Series. Here's the back. You can see I sanded it and took care of the paint imperfections where the neck bolts on. And here's the front. There was a bunch of dents and dings in there that I fixed up. And there it is buffed out and finalized.